Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi not working after iOS 17 update. So in the case that you are experiencing some issues with your Wi-Fi as soon as after you updated your devices to iOS 17, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch your settings application, and once you've updated your devices over onto the new iOS 17 softwares, fix this issue with your Wi-Fi. You need to go in and reset your network settings. So tap on General right here. I want you to scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. And I want you to tap on Reset, and then tap on Reset Network Settings. What that is gonna do is it's gonna reset all of your network settings, included as well is your Wi-Fi. And go ahead and just set up your Wi-Fi once more with I'm adding your Wi-Fi password onto your Wi-Fi and being connected right after, and that should solve your problem. Now once you've already done this method, you should go ahead and tap on your resistive touches, or just make a quick restart of your device to do this. Tap on your assistive touches and tap on device. Tap on more and tap on restart, and then tap on restart again to successfully restart your devices. Then once you have done that, basically what we can do, if you are still experiencing issues with your Wi-Fi, is to wait for the new update. So iOS does periodically releases updates with their iOS 17 softwares, since they are aware that there are bugs with this, and it is still a new software, so people could basically experience some bugs attributed with this. So if you do have an update available, you could go ahead and tap on General, and then tap on Software Update, and then see if you have a new update available. Now as you see, I've already updated my device to iOS 17, but of course, as I said a while ago, iOS, or the Apple company, does roll out updates, even though they have already released iOS 17. So if you do have an update available, go ahead and update it now so that you're gonna fix bugs like this, and you were gonna have the best user experience possible. And that's all for this video guys. I think it was. For watching, please like this video, and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.